Hello and welcome to Data Science Project Training, a complete all-in-one bundle. My name is Mr. Bright and I've been working in many American firms as a researcher, a consultant, data science practitioner, and now a program coordinator here at Total Data Science. I hold an MBA in Applied Data Science, also an IBM Data Science Professional, a PG in Machine Learning and AI, also a degree in Mathematics and a Digital Marketing Professional, both in India and in the United States, and I'll be your instructor for this course. Due to my kind of work, I get to interact with a lot of students that get rejected during the application process, and this is because they don't actually have the practical skills to prove to the recruiters or the HR managers of the concept that they have learned. When they are given a practical question, whether verbally or practically, they have no clue how to go about it, and this leads to their rejection in their application process. And this is the main reason why we put up this course. And if you're here, consider yourself lucky because this course is actually meant to bring you up to speed to make you practically ready for the job market. This course is mainly focused on building projects and creating data science portfolio that serves as an evidence or proof of the concept you have learned. In this course, you're going to apply the concept that you will learn in solving challenges from different domains and practically understand the concept that you will learn. This course is actually to take you right from the beginner level to the advanced level. So whether you're a beginner, complete beginner, or you're intermediate, or you're advanced learner, or someone who is in a different domain trying to transition into this data science domain, then this course is actually for you. You learn the concept, you apply it on the project. That's how this course is made. The most interesting part of this course is that it's not just a recorded video, but also you have a live session, mentor-led class every weekend that you get to interact with your mentor, ask all your queries. All right, so you don't just go through the recorded videos, but you also get to interact with your mentors live on every weekend. All right, and you also get to learn with your peers. In doing so, you get to learn better. All right, so interact with your mentor, and every weekend live online session, you interact with your peers that are also going through the same course with you. So without much ado, let me go to the course page and take you through the curriculum. So you go to totaldatascience.com and then you land on the course page, right? So if I should take you through down here, so this course is how this course has been designed. It's not going to be the normal data science courses that you see on other websites. This course is actually taking a different approach to make you practically ready for the job market. All right, so what we're going to do is going to help you set up your personal blog or your personal website. All right, where you're going to put every project, or you're going to write about every project or every concept that you learn and you want to share, right? You have your personal blog that you'll be writing and posting over there. And if you want to monetize this and make money out of it, you can also do that. And we're going to show you the tricks and the skills that you're going to need. So you don't need to have background in coding or everything or anything, right? We're going to show you how you do this, set up your own personal blog and website without coding. All right. And we're also going to help you set up your LinkedIn page professionally to attract recruiters and HR managers. All right, and one important site that you should never miss as a data science aspirant is GitHub. And we're going to help you to push every project that you do on GitHub so that when you're applying for the job, you can give this link as an evidence of the concept that you have learned, that you have done project on the concept, right? And this serves as an evidence and more convincing to HR managers or employers that yes, you're capable of the job you're applying for. And we will help you to prepare a resume. We'll give you a complete cut and paste resume that you can be using, which we have been using over the past years. And some of the tools that you can actually use to write these resumes, submit it for review, and then how you can actually beat the application tracking system, which is the new AI way of scrutinizing resumes. So we will help you to bypass that and hack the keywords in it. We are going to take you through step by step and the interview process, everything step by step. All right. And then if you build this project and you want to deploy it to make it live, not just remain in the Jupyter notebook, but to make it live. As when you go to the real world, you don't just build in Jupyter notebook, but you deploy these models. So we're going to take you through how you would do this. All right. And this course is frequently updated. So as new things come into the system, we frequently update this course, and you get it as you buy the course, you have it for a lifetime. So as we update the course, you still have it. Okay, and then you have access to a study group where you'll be studying with your peers. So let me take you through some of the projects. So you can see over here that we have a lot of projects being listed over here, right? So as you go through this course, you'll be doing a lot of these projects, and this we keep on adding projects over and over again. So we'll be taking you through the code behind every project, and then we'll give you some of the projects that you'll be doing by yourself and some of them that you'll be doing with your peers also. All right, so we take you through every code that you can see over here, and then you get to understand it. And if you have any queries, you join the weekend session, and then you ask all your queries over there. All right, so going back to the curriculum, so if you'll be asking yourself, I don't even have the skills to do these projects. Don't worry, this course gets you covered. If you don't have the skills, we have all the courses that you will need to be able to do all the projects, and the project that we'll be adding on later as your capstone project, right? So after doing this, we will give you a main project that you'll be doing as your capstone project. All right, so we'll give you all the skills that you need to be able to do these courses, right? From Python basics, right? You learn all the Python basics that you need to be able to do these projects, and you learn all the statistics that are necessary for you to be able to do these data science projects, and even in the real world, all the statistics that you need. All right, and then we come to the fun part, which is the machine learning, all right, where we'll be learning a lot of concepts that are applicable in these projects, right, that you're going to apply to do these projects. So we have a lot of concepts like linear regression, the logistic regression, naive Bayes classifiers, multiple regression, and a whole lot. Support vector machines, dimension reduction, random forest, a bargain boost, a lot of techniques that we'll be using here, a lot of algorithms, and we don't end there, right? This is the part that you will never get from any other data science project out there. Learning all these concepts to be able to do your project, we also make sure that you're complete for the job process, because what happens in the real world is that the data come from different sources, and if the company you want to work for, the company you have applied for, is having their data in a database, then you need a structured query language so that you'll be able to work on that data. So we help you to get these skills as well, right? So we take you through SQL and all the concepts that you need to be able to be perfect in SQL. And also Tabular has proven to be very good when it comes to visualization, has been proven to be perfect. So we take you through Tabular step by step, how you're supposed to tell story when you build your project, how you're supposed to use visualization to tell story, how you're supposed to communicate with your stakeholders, your managers, right? So we use Tabular to do all the visualization, Matplotlib and Seaborn that we'll be learning in Python, right? We also help you understand this Tabular, okay? And then when you come to the last part, which is the king of the basis of all data scientist skills. You cannot become a data scientist without your SL skills. So we also give you extra skills, which is SL, all right? SL is very important. It's a very important part of your journey as a data scientist. So we take you through SL right from the beginning level to building dashboards to the functions, and to most advanced levels like VBA and macros and Power BI. All right, so as you can see, there's a lot to do. And this is a complete package for you as a data scientist. Okay, so as you can see here, there's a whole lot to do. And it's a complete package for you as a data scientist, and it's very unique from any other data science courses that you can see out there. All right, you will not get these things over there, because we've been through a lot of interviews, and we've been through a lot of job applications, so we know what people come with and what is expected of them. So we come with this whole package for you to be able to actually do kick off your journey as a data scientist. And you might be thinking this course is the way we've put a lot of things in here for you and giving you all these things, right? You might be thinking this course is very expensive. No, it's not expensive, because we actually make it in such a way that a lot of people can do it, right? Because not everybody can pay for the high price courses, but these are the things they teach, and they don't even go into details and give you all these things, but they will charge you higher prices. But If you click on the join now button, you get to know that it's just 2,500. It's not, I mean, something we want to charge a higher price for it. No. We make it in such a way that each and everybody who is, I mean, each data science enthusiast can actually kick off and start this journey. All right, and that's what this program is meant for. Okay, and this, I mean, 2,500, if you are not familiar with the Indian currency, is just around $30. All right, so as you can see, there's a lot to do. So just click on the button, join now, and then let's get started. All right, so see you in the course. Bye bye.